Hey guys, I'm back on my 78 square body Chevy project here. It's been a while since I showed any progress, but I am working on the floor of the truck bed right now, obviously. We had a lot of rust in the bed floor here and over here where I've already started patching. And then this support piece had rust in it as well that we had to repair. So I got all those taken care of. And then I've started patching here, and I mismeasured and cut this too short, so I got an extra piece I'm patching in there. But I'm gonna finish buttoning up, getting this welded in, kind of clean up some of the hollow spots in the welds, get everything cleared up, and this will be ready to go. We're gonna have a bed liner in this truck, spray and bed liner, so I don't have to get everything perfectly flat in here. I probably will run just a little bit of mud over the seams, some fiberglass over the seams, just to kind of seal them up and level them off just a little bit. But I'm not too concerned about it because of the bed liner. So as soon as I finish welding that side, then I'm going to come over here and get this patch here taken care of. This side of the truck is I need to just run a sander over. I had to pull it outside, so I got a little surface rust back on it, but get the surface rust cleaned up, and this side will be ready for first prime. Um, I know I'm going to have to do a little more blocking and stuff around the body work on the patch panel here. Um, but I want to get it primed first. I'm going to do at least two, probably three primer sessions on this. Just I want it good and flat. This guy's wanting to fix this truck up, and it's really a pretty good truck. So I want to make sure it looks nice for him. And then over on this side of the bed, oh, that's nice. Over on this side of the bed, um, the only really bad rust spot was down here. I got that cut out, and then that inner structure behind there is rusted real bad too. So I'm gonna get that ordered today, get that piece coming in, and then I can get this bed buttoned up. Like I said, that's the only real spot on this side of the bed. A couple little dents, but that's it. And then I can get on the cab. I'm debating whether I want to pull the bed completely off before I do the cab corners, or if I just want to slide it back. It does have a little gooseneck hitch here, so I'm not sure what it's going to take to get that loose. I haven't crawled under there yet, but at any rate, coming along on it. I'm going to keep posting videos, and we'll keep it smoking. There's my lovely $100 flex core Harbor Freight welder, but it's getting the job done. So um, it works. It's not ideal, but it does work. So anyway, that's where I'm at, and we'll keep on trucking, and we'll keep showing you progress on this truck. I think it's going to be really nice when it's done.